So, perched above the Kings River with panoramic views stretching all the way to the Sierra Nevadas, this is not just a property. This is a private destination. 42 acres, 3 separate residences, a grand main residence with soaring vaulted ceilings, log accents, 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms built for gatherings, events, and elevated living, a private caretaker or guest quarters with its own garden sanctuary, and a detached shop and apartment ready for guests, creative studio space, or event operations. Every residence is powered by a fully off-grid solar system, sustainability, and independence without compromise. So step onto this covered deck and take in the sunrise and sunset views most people only dream of. And the location is just as rare, minutes from Pine Flat Dam, Avocado Lake, and Sequoia National Park. Boating, fishing, hiking, and outdoor adventure right outside your door, yet still within reach of Fresno and Clovis, California. The possibilities here are endless. A luxury Airbnb compound, a wedding, a corporate event venue, a faith-based retreat, a corporate wellness escape, or simply your family's private legacy estate. Hey everyone, I'm Rufi Alday. Welcome to your private sanctuary, 27876 Pine Flat Road here in Sanger. Let's take a look inside. Hey,